Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus for unparalleled performance and stunning display. Released in 2019, the Galaxy S10 Plus was Samsung's dominating handset it produced in that year, which put a halt to the design-related monopoly that we were seeing for the last few generations of handsets. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is a top-tier smartphone among all the flagship phones of the manufacturer. It features a 6.4-inch screen, which is big enough to displace the front camera, while its triple-lens main camera captures stunning ultra-wide photos. Features like its in-screen fingerprint sensor and wireless power share are the two significant features to count a few. The power share is its exclusive power sharing feature, which lets you charge other devices from the phone itself. But beware that this device comes for a hefty price. It features a 6.4-inch dynamic AMO LED display with a resolution of 1440 into 3040 pixels, delivering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. Boldly highlighting the flatter sides and a less sharp curve on the sides of the panel, the design of the Galaxy S10 finally looks like a merger of Samsung's S series and the Note series. Samsung has poked a 3-lens camera on the back of both phones to give you a wide standard and 2-time telephoto lens. It also incorporates a dual front camera setup with a 10MP selfie camera and an 8MP depth sensor. A USB-C port for charging, along with a speaker grill and a headphone jack, is placed at the bottom. The right side of the phone houses the power button, whereas the volume rockers and a dedicated Bixby button have been set on the left side of the phone. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 or Samsung's Exynos 9820 processor, coupled with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM, the device ensures smooth multitasking and fast performance. The device offers a variety of storage options, ranging from 128GB to 1TB, while it also supports microSD to expand the storage capacity. The addition of a large 4100 mAh battery, wireless charging, and a premium build further validate its status as a top-tier smartphone in the market.